What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy. Goddamn, why it's so bright in this bitch? Time out on the plate. What's good, y'all? We back. I fucked with the camera to do some YouTube shit, and the YouTube shit didn't work. Well, the Twitch shit didn't work. But before I get into this, another fucking unboxing. I gotta hip y'all. I almost get taken out of here. I gotta drink to that shit. Yesterday, I don't know when it was dropping, but yesterday my ass was shaking and shit. I don't even know if I was sick or what. Like, I had to get COVID tested for the second time in my life. Like, I thought I was down bad. Like, nigga, I thought I was actually like had COVID. Like, I was all fucked up. Like, I could barely drive, I could barely walk, all that shit. And like, I don't know what the fuck was going on. But luckily, my COVID test came back negative, and like later that day, I felt like 10 times better. So I don't know what the fuck happened to me yesterday morning, but we need to drink to that. You get drink water, something, nigga. Shouts out to the God still being here, nigga. Clink, clink, nigga. Shit. But that's enough of that. We gonna get into this motherfucking unboxing and shit. Who keep moving my shit? My bad, y'all. Somebody moved my fucking box cutter. I don't like when my shit is moved and I don't know about it. But we got some packs coming in today, and I know that big ass unboxing kind of knocked y'all upside the head and shit. It's probably the last big one for a minute, because I need to chill out. I've been going too stupid. But yeah, man, we got some packs from PacSun, Old Navy, and StockX and Go, man. So we gonna make this quick. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that like button for me. Smash the fuck out that fucking subscribe button so you can join the motherfucking God Squad, all that good shit. Yeah. First one, Old Navy. Yeah, man, it's this Whitney Houston shirt. Whitney Houston graphic tee. I'm like the biggest fucking Whitney Houston fan. Like, this was Bae before I knew she was Bae. And like, I fucking love Whitney Houston. She funny as hell. Fire ass voice. Like, crack or not, bro. Whitney Houston is unfuckwittable. So, fuck you and your baby mama if you think Whitney Houston is some shit. No Whitney Houston slander will be tolerated. You will get banned. I have no problem banning. I have banned people for less. Don't talk about my ban. So this next one is coming from PacSun. I rarely shop at PacSun, but it's this collab I wanted, and I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm a cop. Usually I wouldn't wear something like this, but my B-Day coming up, nigga. Suck my ding ding. So it's the PacSun Playboy collab, and it's just that like pictures tee. Damn, they got some titties on this thing. It's all white women. It's all white women. Oh no, it's all white women. God damn it. Not a black sister in sight. Well, this is disappointing. I'm gonna wear the shirt though, cause it feels nice. But it's just the PacSun, I think, like Polaroid junk. It's not see-through cool. It's see-through, but not really. But yeah, I just decided to cop this because, like I said, my B-Day coming up next week, June 7th and shit. So I figured, you want to see it? You go. You like it?
There's no black women. Where's the melanin?
I know. All right. So there's the two shirts. Let's get into these boxes. This first box isn't a pair of shoes. It's not for me. It's for Savage Beauty, and luckily I could talk about it since she's not here. I give her this one in the morning when she comes home from work. If y'all can see, I don't know if you can or not. It's just a watch. Let me pull it out. I'm gonna actually pull it all the way out. You want to see too? I'll make sure.
Yeah, it's mommy's.
That's for mommy. So here's the actual watch. Oh, this is small as fuck. They left the price tag on this bitch? No. Well, yeah, kind of. I gotta cut that off in the morning. but it's the Timex with Swarovski crystals. I don't know, however you say that name. The Timex watch with Swarovski. I don't know how to say it. So this next box, is I put it right here because I can't put it in my lap, because Booby is right here. It's coming from, if I'm not mistaken, Goat. I don't really know which one it is. I've bought so much stuff that I don't even be knowing. Hopefully it's not the banger first. I'm hoping it's not the banger first, but if it is what it is. No, it's not. It might be. I think it actually is the banger. I think we just opened the banger first. Bangers. Yeah, we just opened the banger first. It is what it is. I don't even think this shoe came out yet. I don't think it's out yet. It might be, but I'm not sure. And today we have oops, sorry, Booby. You fucked up the top. You okay? You got so many eye boogers, baby. Mommy don't clean your face. Mommy got you out here dirty face. But we got the free 99 dunks. Material's kind of ass. But these are it right here. I'm going to do a review on these, of course. I like these better than the black ones. I actually bought these. Oh, shit. Yeah, insole kind of alright. It's decent. Materials high-key ass. Damn, this shit stiff as fuck. These materials is butt. But, yeah. It's from StockX, the free 99 dunks. I'll be doing a review on these, of course. So, be on the lookout for that. I'll pull out the other shoe just so y'all can see it. Came with another pair of laces. I actually didn't pay too much just because of what this shoe is. What I think is too much, some people might think ain't enough or whatever. I might get into price points when I do the on foot review or whatever. So there's that. Alright, so the next shoe, what is it? What is this? Oh, shit. Forgot about these. This was a random purchase that I tried to cancel, but the seller confirmed too quick. Like, I bought it, and I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Then, like, as soon as I tried to cancel it, like, he accepted that shit, like, dumb, stupid quick. You smell other people? So this is coming from GOAT. LeBron 17. Big ass LeBron 17. I don't really go past the 10s. Like, I had some, I think LeBron 12s. I've had some 12s, but other than that, I really haven't liked the models. It's just this colorway on this shoe kind of made me want it, so I said, fuck it. Oh my God, these are in horrible condition. Damn. These are in like horrible condition, kind of. But it's just the LeBron 17 James game. Maybe I can clean them. There you go. Maybe I could clean them, but like it's a lot of like road rash on this shoe. Like damn. Like somebody was chewing on that bitch. Like chewing on that bitch like a piece of bubble yum. Nigga, y'all see that shit? I don't know if y'all can see it like that good. You see it? Like how fucked up it is? Like that shit crazy. These might go to Lowly as like a chew toy. You know what I'm saying? But I can clean it. It's not like a bad shoe. The upper's in pretty good condition. It's just the outsole. It's like my man was like trying to do kick flips in this bitch. Like he was trying to sand sidewalks like with these bitches on. Damn. In the last box, I know what this is. It's a pair of shoes you all have seen before. It's actually a pair of shoes that always remind me of J. Cole. Shout out to J. Cole. That boy just left the Rwanda League. We will be talking about that shit too. They say his contract was over and he left for family issues or family reasons. I don't believe that shit. But we'll talk about it. I'll actually post up about it in like a video or some shit. So, oops. Watch your nose. Watch your schnozzle. Alright, so these are new. As I take the paper off. I won't be doing a review on these because I've done a review on these already. Is this a shoe that I had to repurchase because I bought the wrong size? And like, I really love the shoe. I really love this model. And it's just, they don't fit me. So I kind of had to. But yeah, we're going to get straight into it. Shout out to GOAT once again. If this, y'all, is the shoe. The Adidas Young one, the very first colorway. These are dead stock. These are brand new. I was not getting this shoe used. And I really love this shoe. And it's just, I made the mistake of going to an 11.5, which was the dumbest fucking idea I've ever done. That was back when like I really didn't know what my true size was in like Adidas products and stuff. So it is what it is. She's really a sneakerhead now. But yeah, man, I had to rebuy those, repurchase those, just because, you know, like I really liked the shoe and I felt bad that I couldn't wear them, and I really liked them, and I was always pissed because I was like, I got a lot of fits that will crack hard with that. You okay? She was like, boy, your breath stink. But I got a lot of fits and stuff that I felt like would go hard with it, and it's just, I couldn't fucking wear them because the shoe was too small and it was too unfucking comfortable. So there it is there. But those are all the purchases that we have this week, for this week's unboxing or whatever you want to call it. Just some shirts, 2 shirts, a watch, and some fucking dunks again. Nigga, like, I don't know. I think this is like my 5th pair of dunks. Booby, which one you like? This one, or this one? That what she said. That one. But no. So this is the end of this, man. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I have recorded all the on feets for all those shoes that I purchased, and I'm gonna do my best to get the reviews out to y'all in time and in a timely manner, but it's going to take some editing because I have to edit twice. I have to edit the on feet to piece it all together, then edit the reaction with adding like my intro, outro, like any other special effects and like music and stuff. So it's not that big of a deal, but it is a few things to edit, and those is a lot of shoes. But trust me, I'll be dropping soon if I haven't dropped some of them already. But yeah, man, I'm talking too much. I love y'all. Thank you for watching, and like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.